Welcome to a look at the new Back Cove 39O, Back Cove Yacht's second outboard model. The 39O was launched to rave reviews in the late summer of 2020 and quickly distinguished herself as the quietest and fastest Back Cove yet. The Back Cove 39O has an overall length of 43 feet 1 inch. Her hull length is 39 feet. Her beam is 13 feet 6 inches. Her draft with the engines down is 3 feet. The hull draft is 2 feet 6 inches. The air draft with the optional mast is 12 feet 7 inches. The displacement is 26,500 pounds. The fuel capacity is 500 US gallons. The diesel capacity for the generator is 23 US gallons. The water capacity is 97 US gallons. The holding tank capacity is 55 US gallons. Triple 350 horsepower Suzuki motors with the dual counter-rotating propellers are the standard driveline. Additional engine options include triple 300 horsepower YAMAHAS or triple 400 horsepower MERCURY VERADOS. The first Back Cove 39O was fitted with triple 400 horsepower MERCURY VERADO engines, achieving a top-end speed of 44 knots and a comfortable and quiet cruise speed of 33.9 knots. Performance data for each engine option will be added to the website as it becomes available. Stepping aboard, her sizable swim steps to port and starboard make boarding safe and comfortable, and the wraparound swim platform offers secure access to the outboards and the utility space beneath the cockpit sole. The 39O offers a sizable storage space below the cockpit, with a large hatch maneuvered by dual electric actuators, using controls accessible while standing on the swim step to starboard. This storage space houses the Onan 9 kW generator and has room for all of the water toys you wish to have on board. There is a day hatch providing quick access to small items below. You can step into the cockpit from both port and starboard through the transom gates. The U-settee provides ample seating in the cockpit and includes storage for lines, shore power cords, and fenders. An aft-facing seat is located at the forward end of the cockpit, with a dedicated space for the optional grill stowed neatly in the seat box. The 39O cockpit is fitted with a folding teak table at the center, offering a versatile space that's perfect for dining al fresco or simply enjoying the scenery. Her side decks are wide and safe thanks to a robust anti-slip pattern in the gel coat, a 1-inch high bulwark, and substantial stainless steel rails. Handholds are conveniently situated so the trips to the foredeck are simple and secure. Forward, the anchor windlass, chain lockers, and heavy-duty stainless steel cleats make light work of anchoring and docking procedures. All deck hardware is 316 stainless steel, which will retain its luster for many years to come. The entry door to the helm deck is made of powder-coated aluminum. A full door swings open to starboard, while a bifold window slides to port. When both are open, the salon and cockpit living spaces merge. The main salon is a light and comfortable space with all the luxuries of home. Elegant soft goods are offset by finely finished wood furnishings, and light floods in from large side windows. To port is a large U-shaped settee with a beautifully finished cherry table, where guests and crew will spend many enjoyable hours. To starboard, the galley offers high-quality appliances and ample storage for all your wares. Above the galley, a television drops down for easy viewing from the settee. Forward of the galley is a well-equipped helm station with 2 high-quality helm chairs. Controls are found here for the standard bow thruster and trim tabs, and there is ample space for a full suite of navigational electronics. The view forward is clear and free of glare thanks to small mullions, a black windshield liner, and a dark-colored helm pod. Below the helm is an easily accessed storage and service area with space for an optional freezer. Descend the companionway steps to the lower lounge, a convenient and private setting for reading a book or watching a favorite television program. An optional high-gloss cherry table provides space for a laptop or room to enjoy a morning cup of coffee. The lower lounge features a comfortable settee to port with a television mounted to the opposite bulkhead. Thanks to the atrium-style design, light from the windshield above keeps this area bright while maintaining its secluded feeling. The guest cabin is found aft of the lower lounge, beneath the main salon sole. Overnight guests will enjoy a peaceful night of sleep in one of 2 single berths, and an optional hull-side deadlight provides a unique view and plenty of daylight. To starboard of the lower lounge is a spacious head with contemporary fixtures, a freshwater flush MSD, and a separate stall shower. Located forward on the lower deck, her luxurious master stateroom offers a queen-size pedestal berth with storage below. Hanging lockers are found to port and starboard, as are storage cabinets and hull-side shelves, offering all the space needed for extended stays aboard. The Back Cove 39O sets a new standard for comfort, speed, and efficiency, featuring Back Cove's design-copyrighted trailing edge lifting surface, or trellis, for optimized performance. Her practical features, remarkable storage capacity, and precision controls make the 39O the perfect blend of outboard speed and Downeast cruising efficiency. Her owners and their guests will find endless uses for her versatile utility space below the cockpit sole. Enjoy countless hours in her seamless living spaces and rest in peaceful comfort each evening. For more information on the Back Cove 39O, please contact our national sales manager by email at sales@backcoveyachts.com or by phone at 207-594-8821.